Hello everyone, welcome back. I am so happy you choose to come back because today I am putting a spin on this eye look, and if you want to see what that spin is, keep watching. And if you're new here, my name is V, and at the end of the video I always leave you with an inspirational or encouraging word. So please watch the video all the way through so you can get the encouraging word, because it might help you, or you might be able to share this video with somebody else that this encouraging, uplifting word will help along the day. So stay tuned. I am starting now. I'm putting a little glue to hold on the glitter color I am going to wear over here. And I just want you all to know my second book is complete. I am finishing up the proofread and the cover because I want it to be really nice. So please support when it is all finished and it is up on my website and on Amazon. I would appreciate you all supporting me very much. My books are very interesting books and they will help somebody. I pray it helps somebody out there. So this is the color I am putting to change the spin on this look. I do ask for your support and your share of this video on YouTube or on any of your platforms that you have. This is just a small spin to show you that you can do many different eye looks with one. You can start with one eye look and then create other eye looks around it. In this section right here, I did not put glitter glue. I only put glitter glue right here. This section, no glitter glue. I am using the Gemrock palette by Plain in Makeup by Yolanda because that's part of my July Shop My Stash. Be creative, have fun, play with your palettes. You don't have to record, you don't have to go out with it, but if you open the palette and you start playing with it, you will see your spirits get lifted, your mood will change. You don't have to put everything, but you can just play, just have a little bit of fun with it. And I am telling you, it really does change your mood. Pick colors that you like, pick colors that you don't like, mix them up, play with them, see what happens, right? So far we are looking good. Playing with those wrinkled eyes. That's what makes this makeup more fun, to see how it comes out on all types of skin, all types of eyes, eye shape, all types of skin and all types of eye shape. Do that and see. I am sweating menopause, you see? I am back with the spin on this eye look. If you want to see the original eye look, check it up on YouTube. It is there. And I put a spin on this. Check it out. You can do anything with your makeup. Have fun. This is Becky. If you're looking for a gold, something that's strong, it is called Becky and it is in this palette right here. This is Becky right here. Becky's like a gold. It almost looks like a bronze, but it is one of the prettiest colors I've come across and I love it. So this is what I use to put the spin on this look, Becky. Are you loving? Are you liking? Let me know in the comments. And I changed the lips and the blush and all of that good stuff to give it a little bit of life. Enjoy yourself. Play with your makeup. Have fun with your makeup. Do all this good stuff with your makeup and your hair. Change it up. At the end of the day, take it off. And then if you have to redo it again tomorrow, redo it. But have fun with your makeup. Today's word is by Ellen Cardi. Inspirational word, encouraging words. It says, set your sight high. The higher, the better. Expect the most wonderful things to happen. Not in the future, but right now. Realize that nothing is too good. Allow absolutely nothing to hamper you or hold you up in any way. This is the inspirational word for today. I hope this encourages you to do something. I hope if this meets you in a place where you're not feeling too good or you're down, I hope this encouraging word gives you a little bit more lift in your spirit and your mood for today. This channel have always been about motivating and uplifting people. 3 years in the making, and we are still working on it to make it a little better every time, but it is still there to help motivate you and me. We are all human beings. We are not perfect. We have issues and problems every day, but we have to keep working at it, bit by bit by bit by bit. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply You Makeup is saying to enjoy life. Take your palette out. Play with, if it's one color you want to play with today, take it out and play with a color and just feel a little better. I hope whatever it is that brings you joy, you get to do it. I am very excited that you tune in to watch the spin on this eye look. Bye. See you in another video. Yeah. Becky.